I'm Nik Michael Imran.
And I'm Sarah Benjamin.
And this is Cooking for Love.
The first thing I'm gonna do is soften some gelatin powder. Now we'll just set this aside. I'm going to do the coconut layer. I'm using coconut water and bring it up to a simmer. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar, give it a stir, and there's steam coming up from it. You can turn the heat off, drop the gelatin in the coconut water, and then just stir to dissolve. This goes in the bottom of your serving glasses. I'm going to put them in the fridge to chill for 3 to 4 hours until it's completely set. Now I want to make some fresh watermelon juice, and I'm doing this in a slow juicer. So just turn on the juicer and push the watermelon through the spout. I'm juicing my watermelon in a slow juicer because a slow juicer, it grinds the fruit and it preserves every drop of juice. It also has a low compression speed, so you don't compromise on nutrition. And this drip stop spout cap means I don't waste a drop of my gorgeous watermelon juice. Just look at this goodness. Now I'll just pour the watermelon juice into a saucepan and I'll heat it up until just before it's simmering. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar because this watermelon juice is naturally sweet. Just stir it in. Once the watermelon juice is hot, just take it off the heat and I'm gonna stir in the gelatin, a little bit of lime juice. The watermelon juice is cool enough. Now I'm just gonna carefully spoon it on top of the coconut layer. Let them chill in the fridge for another couple of hours until they're completely set all the way through. After a few hours in the fridge, my jellies are completely set. I'm gonna put some cubes of watermelon on top of the jelly as well. The final flourish is to top it with some of that julienne mint. Here they are, my perfectly light and refreshing end to a balanced meal.
I'm Nik Michael Imran.
And I'm Sarah Benjamin.
And this is Cooking for Love.